Hi guys, and welcome to another Watch Geek video and another unboxing. Today we're unboxing a new model from Vario. I featured their products numerous times on my channel because they were one of the first brands to recognize me as a YouTube channel and influencer as they call them, and I used their G-Shock strap adapters, their straps. Then they started making watches, with my favorite one being their trench watch, and I'll leave the link to that review right here on the corner of the screen. That's still my favorite model from them. This is a new model, but it's actually a variant of their older model. So let's open it and see what we got, because this is yet another model that I'm probably gonna like. They kind of do these designs which are always inspired with past, and that's something I like. We get a leather strap, we get Empire, because Empire is the model name, and as you can see by this Empire State Building here, this watch is inspired by Art Deco design of the 1930s. They already made a regular watch in that design, but now they made a chronograph, and it's a Mecaquartz chronograph powered by the Seiko VK series of movements, which means that it has a mechanical sweep of the seconds hand of the chronograph, but it's actually a quartz one. So let's see which variant they sent me, because they offer it in a wide variety of colors. Now currently on their webpage, you're gonna see that these watches seem to be sold out, but they're not. They just marked them like that because initial batch came with the wrong case back that states it's an automatic chronograph, which it is not. So now they're waiting for the new case backs to arrive with the correct Mecaquartz inscription. That's why it says they're sold out, but I believe they should be available again in July. So let's zoom in and take a look at this watch. And it really is a beauty, and it really is an Art Deco design. Look at the way the lugs look like they're welded to the case like the old watches of the past. You have pretty simple pushers, an onion styled crown, a sapphire crystal, which in this case is flat with a domed bezel. It would be probably better if they went with a domed crystal, but what can you do? And the dial is truly a beauty, and again something I can't wait to see under macro. I know there are other watches that I did were pretty good under macro, and the details are pretty sharp, and this one also looks pretty sharp to the naked eye, but we'll see in my full review how it actually looks when we get up close. Now these retail for just under $300. I believe it's $298, but you can get their coupon code that lowers the price by 8% to just under $275, which is pretty cool for an original looking watch. Like I said, 38 millimeters in diameter. We'll have the thickness and lug to lug for the full review, but it shouldn't be too big. It comes with an Italian made leather, of real leather, and quick release pins, which is something you would expect from Vario that started as a strap maker. The case back is closed, and again you have this Empire State Building emblem etched in it. Pretty cool. Let's put it on my wrist to see how it looks, but being 38 millimeters, it should probably fit my wrist quite perfectly. Now, like I said, there's a wide range of colors available, and this one I believe is called Tuxedo or something like that, when you have a combination of this white, or should I say silver and black. And here it is on my 6.7 inch wrist, and as you can see, it really fits like a glove. This is a perfect dimension and perfect size for my wrist, especially for something vintage inspired. Now this really is a beautiful watch, and I really do like Art Deco design, which is why my Reverso is the favorite watch in my collection. However, this one does suffer from visibility, so this is not something you're gonna buy to have a legible watch or something that's you're gonna be used in life-saving situations. This is more of a styled watch that you wear because you like the look of it. So let's start this Seiko Mecaquartz to see how it operates. And as you can see, despite being a quartz watch, you actually don't have a ticking seconds hand, because this here counter shows the minutes of the chronograph, and this here shows the 24-hour time of the main time, which is something I like. I don't like when brands do the Seiko Mecaquartz and then put the third subdial where you can see the seconds ticking. Here you don't see them ticking, and the only thing ticking is once you start the chronograph, you can see this seconds hand moving like a mechanical one. Now Miura also does Mecaquartz watches, but with them, once you stop the stopwatch and you reset it, this actually hand glides back to the starting position because it's electronically operated. On a Seiko Mecaquartz, they actually use a 3-pointed hammer like on a mechanical chronograph, where once you push it, it actually pushes all the hands back to their starting position, which is something I'm going to show right now. So as you can see, it's an instant reset just like on a mechanical chronograph. Because it doesn't have a ticking seconds hand, this could actually fool someone into thinking they're automatic. Maybe that kind of fooled those that were making the case back, which is why they put automatic on it instead of the Mecaquartz. Overall, I really do like the look of this watch. It's not legible, but then it's not trying to be. It's more like a style statement, and as such, it really is beautiful. I love these applied numerals done in the Art Deco font, and I can't wait to see it under macro to see just how well these are made, also the hands, so do stay tuned for that. Anyways, that's it. I'll leave the link to their webpage in the description, and I'll also leave that coupon code that gives you 8% discount. Like I said, ignore the sold out thing that's stated on the web page because it's only down to the casebacks. There will be available again. Anyways, that's it when it comes to this unboxing and first impressions. I won't be doing a loom shot because it really doesn't make any sense because this watch features no loom whatsoever. Like I said, legibility was not a #1 priority when they were designing this watch, which shows in that department as well. Well, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed and found it useful. If you did, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.